Yesterday I have told you about the simple equation. Equation means a statement containing equal sign and variable. For this, let us see a part. In this statement there is a equal sign and a variable, so this is known as equation. Now yesterday I have also told you about the solution of linear equation. Solution means the value of variable which satisfy the given equation. Satisfy the given equation means after putting the value of variable in equation, the left hand side answer equals to the right hand side answer. Now for this I am taking second question. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. For this I am taking A part. Now A part, A part n plus 5 equals to 19. Here the given value of n is equal to 1. Now n is in left hand side, so I will put n only in left hand side. Now I am taking left hand side n plus 5. Now value of n is given 1, so I am taking n is 1 and find the answer. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Now this answer I will match the right hand side. Now the right hand side of the equation is is equal to 19. Now match the answer of left hand side and right hand side. Here the left hand side answer is 6 and the right hand side answer is 19. Are these values matched? No. The answer is different. That means n is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Here the n is equal to 1 is not satisfied the given equation, so n equals to 1 is not the solution of given equation, not the solution of given equation. So all the part are like with a part as the value of variable given in the equation, and you have to put whenever the n is written in the equation and find the answer of two sides and match the answer. Then write your conclusion whether the given value is a solution or not. So all part you have to attempt yourself. Now let us see the third question. Now third question is solve the following equation by trial and error method. Trial means you have to try. What you have to try? The value of variable. The variable value you have to think. You have to put the value p1, 2, 3. The value which satisfy the given equation is a solution. For this I am taking the first part. Now first part 5p Now first part is 5p plus 2 equals to 17. Trial means try कीजिए. Suppose I am taking p is 1. I am taking p equals to 1. अब p इक्वेशन में जहाँ लिखा हुआ है उसको पुट कर देंगे. p जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखा हुआ है, तब p इज रिटर्न ओनली इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. p यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज द एक्सप्रेशन रिटन बिफोर द इक्वल साइन. अब p को यहाँ पे 1 2 ट्राई करेंगे, पुट करके देखेंगे. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड and put p equals to 1. Left hand side is 5p plus 2 equals to left hand side 5p plus 2. Now p equals to 1. The sign between 5 and p is multiply. इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है, तो 5 into 1 plus 2 and find the answer according to BODMAS rule. पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now write the right hand side. Right hand side is 17. Now match the answer of left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side answer is 7. Right hand side answer is 7. And these answer are not matched. That means given value of variable, that is p is equal to 1, is not the solution. So try with p is equal to 2. Try p is equal to 3. Now if I am try p equals to 3, p equals to 3. Now left hand side 5p plus 3. I am taking p equals to 3. Sorry, left hand side 5p plus 2. Sorry, 5p plus 2. Now take p is 3, 5 into 3 plus 2. The sign between 5 and p is multiply. So 5 into 3 15 plus 2, it is 17. Now this value I will match the right hand side. Here the right hand side is 17. Now right hand side is 17. Right hand side 17. Now match the value of left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side value is 17 and right hand side value is 17. So these two values are same. That means p is equal to 3. The value you have taken in place of variable is a solution. That means 5 is equal to p is equal to 3 is a solution. So p is equal to p is equal to 3 is a solution. So in this way you will find the solution. This is known as trial and error method. That means आप जो है एकदम आंसर पे नहीं जा सकते, आपको वैल्यू को ट्राई लेना पड़ता. Now